Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Doc's Guide to the Galaxy. I'm the Doctor, and today I traveled to Keane Arboretum on the road to Hana. In my opinion, the Keane Arboretum is the best place on the road to see the famous rainbow eucalyptus or gum tree, as well as 150 other tropical plants. First, I'll show you how to get there. Keane Arboretum is located at mile marker 16.7 on Hana Highway. There isn't a 16.7 mile marker, but there is a 16.5 mile marker to let you know you are getting close. There is limited parking along the left side of the road. Cross the street carefully as cars are traveling downhill and around a blind corner. Walk through this gate and along the path for a quarter of a mile to the Arboretum's entrance. In my opinion, the Keane Arboretum is the best place on the road to see the famous rainbow eucalyptus or gum tree, as well as 150 other tropical plants. Unlike the Garden of Eden, the Keane Arboretum is open every day and is free. I know a lot of people like to stop at mile marker 7 to see rainbow gum trees, but those trees are on private property and protected by a fence. Additionally, there is no parking available there, so it can be a little dangerous. The path is a quarter mile long and initially paved, but becomes dirt as you pass the ginger and banana trees. After the banana trees, walk through this small gate and you will see Hawaiian loe, or terrace plots of flooded mud used to grow taro. Beyond the loe, there is a small gate. This leads to a small stream filled with mosquitoes, and I recommend you skip this. The Kiani Arboretum is located next to Pia'ina'u Stream. As you make your way back to the Arboretum's entrance, I recommend you enjoy a dip in the beautiful waters of the stream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care.